Welcome back to Learn Easy, your go-to channel for practical tech tips. In today's video, we will cover 5 must-know tips for Windows 11 that will help you navigate the new features with ease. First up, let's talk about how to move the Start button back to the left side of the taskbar, a classic layout many of us prefer. Here is what to do. Right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Taskbar Behavior section. Find the Taskbar Alignment setting and switch it to the left. That's it. Your Start button will return to its original location in the lower left corner. Now let's dive into our second tip, customizing the Quick Settings panel. In Windows 11, Quick Settings have been separated from notifications, giving you more control right at your fingertips. Here is how to make it work for you. Click on the area of the taskbar where you see the Wi-Fi speaker and battery icons. This will open the Quick Settings menu. From here, you can easily manage options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, and battery saver mode. If you want to personalize this panel, click the pencil-shaped Edit Quick Settings button. You can unpin any settings you don't use or click Add to include new features that you want quick access to. Customizing your quick settings can streamline your workflow and make it easier to manage essential features. Now let's move on to the next step. Let's talk about creating and managing multiple desktops. Windows 11 has revamped the Task View feature, making it easier than ever to organize your workspace. Here is how you can set it up. Locate the redesigned Task View icon on your taskbar. Simply hover over it to see any open virtual desktops or to create a new one. You can easily rearrange your desktops by dragging them into your preferred order. Plus, if you have apps open on one desktop, you can drag them into another. Great for keeping things organized. To help differentiate between your desktops, you can use different wallpapers. Just right-click on the desktop, choose Personalize, then Background, and select a different image for each desktop. Now you are all set to enhance your multitasking experience. Let's move on to our next step. Now let's explore the powerful Widgets feature in Windows 11. This new addition takes the concept of widgets to the next level, giving you quick access to a variety of information at a glance. Here is how to make the most of it. Click on the Widgets icon in the taskbar to open up a panel where you can check things like weather, sports scores, stock prices, traffic updates, your Outlook calendar, to-do list, and the latest news. You can customize your widgets to display the information that matters most to you. Simply rearrange them on the page to fit your preferences. To manage your news feed, head to Microsoft Start, where you can adjust your preferences and see tailored content. Want to add even more functionality? You can also include third-party widgets from apps like Spotify and Facebook Messenger. With widgets, you will have a personalized hub of information right at your fingertips, making it easier to stay updated throughout your day. Now let's move on to our final tip. Let's explore the enhanced Snap Layout feature in Windows 11. While snapping windows has been a staple since Windows 7, Windows 11 takes it to a whole new level with more flexibility and options. Here is how to make the most of snap layouts. You can still drag your windows to the sides or corners for half and quarter screen arrangements. But now, when you hover over the Maximize button, a menu will appear, offering various layout options. You can choose from different formations such as one large window on the left with two stacked on the right, or 3 windows side by side. The options available will depend on your screen size. Once you select your preferred layout, simply click to choose it, then move your apps into their designated spots. If you prefer to disable this feature, you can easily do so in Settings. For even quicker window management, use keyboard shortcuts like Windows key plus left arrow to snap a window to the left half of the screen. With these snap layouts, organizing your workspace has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful for maximizing your experience with Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.